Do you like coffee?
I love coffee.
We are going to maybe ruin it a little bit.
Hi, ठंडे. Hand freeze. Hand freeze.
Wow!
I'm too scared. Your no reaction is confusing.
ऐसा ऐसी जल्दी. Bird. Car.
Huh?
Car. गाड़ी.
I was on a set of Devo Ki Dev Mahadev.
You were on the set of Devo Ki Dev Mahadev because I was on the set of Devo Ki Dev Mahadev.
What were you doing on Devo Ki Dev
I
Mahadev?
was Parvati. Oh, by the way, you're being filmed on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Say hi.
Hi.
Give a good pose or something.
Oh wow. ये लग रहा है किसी ने छींटे मार दिए खून के इस पे. I'll add some green to this so that it doesn't look like blood splashes.
Let's try the second dish. तो अभी हम करने वाले हैं.
That's disgusting. I'm no.
Perfect. Hi guys, welcome back to Sleepover with Anushka Sen, powered by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. आज हमारी जो next guest है, I'm so excited to meet her after a very long time. She's a friend, she is sassy, she's cool, she has a great energy, and I have planned some amazing things for her. I have planned weird food combinations to some crazy games. Let's see what's her reaction to it. And she's here. Let's go get her. This is so pretty, right? Hi, my love. How are you? I'm good. So nice to see you.
I'm so happy to see you.
Welcome.
Is this your kitchen? Did you
Yes.
set this up?
What do you think?
It looks really nice.
Yeah. I have some really amazing, fun stuff planned for you.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No.
Do you like coffee?
I love coffee.
I love coffee.
I love coffee.
We are going to maybe ruin it a little bit. Hopefully not. But I saw everybody's obsessed with this recipe on social media. Orange Diet Coke coffee. Have you tried something like this?
That sounds disgusting. Why would you do something like
एक काम करते हैं, try करते हैं.
ठीक है.
Maybe we find a recipe that we like.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Or
let's
it's
try.
disgusting. पहले बर्फ. Perfect.
Hi, ठंडे. Hi, hand freeze. Hand freeze. Okay, cool.
Wow. I think it's going to be nice. Come on. Let's have some faith. कर सकते हैं. अच्छा, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि एकदम like it blows your mind and then you're like मुझे यही चाहिए.
देखते. See, you're very optimistic.
I'm
in life.
very optimistic. That is not looking bad. It looks sassy and
Color ही बदल गया उसका.
वही तो. How is this happening before we
Okay,
have
cheers.
this as a shot?
अब हो गया
Wow.
पूरा वापस. अब इसको पिएंगे.
अच्छा हो सकता है. Let's go. Let's try.
देखो, you know this is a आलसी person's drink. जो तीन चीजें एक साथ पीना चाहता है ना, उसको मिला के साथ में मिलेंगे. Cheers.
Cheers. Here.
Try. I'm too scared. Your no reaction is confusing. Confusing. This drink is
No,
confusing.
it is.
It's actually not bad. Sorry,
It's
I think I
actually not-
spoke very ill about it. And
See, I told you.
you've not had the orange brew.
What is it? Tell
It
me
is
the
this
recipe.
only. It's this only. This and the Americano and just say.
Let's try the second dish.
Yeah.
तो अभी हम करने वाले हैं पाव with gulab jamun.
That's I'm not इतना भी young in life to take that risk.
No, life is short. You need to try
disgusting.
and experiment and have some optimism. Let's go. Come on. Sassy. I'm gonna call you sassy.
Go for it.
I really like it.
What is that? Butter?
Yeah.
Fancy. Yes, कभी आज तक use नहीं किया butter केस.
So, you know, it's so nice and aesthetic. So, like you said कि ये आपको बहुत weird लग रहा है combination. Any other food combinations that you've tried that's like super weird and yucky?
You know, I was on a set of Devo Ki Dev Mahadev.
You were on the set of Devo Ki Dev Mahadev.
Why does it?
Because I was on the set of Devo Ki Dev Mahadev.
What were you doing on Devo Ki Dev Mahadev?
I was Parvati.
Hey, mom! Oh my God, mother! Mother is mothering.
Wait, what?
Yeah. When were
Really?
you were then? I came much later in the show. You were Parvati means
Yeah.
you were in the beginning.
Oh my God, so we were in the same show?
Yeah. Hey.
What the hell?
Wow.
Anyways, that one show.
That show was yeah. So anyway, so I was on that set and we were supposed to eat dinner, all of
Okay.
us.
Yeah.
And हमारी थाली में ऐसा खीर और पूरी था.
हाँ. Hey, I remember.
तो सब्जी नहीं थी. खाएं किसके साथ?
हाँ.
पूरी.
हाँ.
तो मैंने खीर और पूरी खाई और मुझे बहुत मजा आया. Is that weird enough for you?
It's actually something I like. I think in our Bengali culture also we have like kheer and puri, we have that. So it's like a legit dish. This is going to be nice. Let's one
Oh my
second.
God.
Now I have to focus so that this doesn't.
I've never seen. Where have you gotten this from? These from Kolkata? Huh? Oh no, those are Rasgulla. Sorry. क्या?
Okay, we're gonna have
किस
like
चीज़
vada
पे-
pav.
Oh, yuck! That's no.
It's almost the same size of vada.
Oh, that's why you got these big gulab jamun to make it look
The
like.
more the merrier.
Are you
bro.
gaslighting me into thinking that this is vada?
Yeah. Are you ready?
No.
You gotta have a real bite. ऐसा I'm looking at you. It's not bad. It's not bad.
You know why it's not bad?
Why?
Because the donuts.
It tastes like a donut.
Yeah, it's like a donut.
This is nice, dude.
So this is not worlds apart. It's not like they're adding gulab jamun to Maggi.
Should we?
No. But this tastes like donut.
Little bit like a waffle. It actually does taste like a waffle.
You know? This is not bad. This is not.
This is insane in a good way.
This is sane.
I like this is sane.
Yeah. Hey, sane!
Listen, we should take a photo and remember this crazy, disastrous moment that we had. 10 on 10.
Oh, this also became a heart.
Yes. Sure. Oh my god. Oh, this is so cute.
That is very cute. See, this became a heart.
You want to see something? I'm going to use the photo assist and see what I'm going to do. Change the
Change Esas's face.
into...
Korea.
What's your favorite? Korea? Okay.
Oh, no, wait. Cherry blossom.
Oh!
Try?
Okay. Cherry blossom in South Korea.
Do we have cherry?
Have you seen it? Yeah.
Oh.
In April. It's very pretty.
Japan में भी होता है.
हाँ.
मेरी थोड़ी geography खराब है. Dude, that's insane actually. That's very nice.
Isn't it so cute?
And it's
And
not
it
looking
matches
as
with
if
your
it's-
outfit. It
That-
looks real.
It doesn't look like it's edited.
Like how you and Revati went to Japan. Seems like we went to Korea.
Maybe we also just did this and we actually didn't go to Japan.
Actually.
You never know.
Maybe. This is super cute, isn't it?
This is very cute. This is very postable. Could you please send me a copy?
Sure.
Thanks.
Copy.
Send a copy to me.
Let's go to the living room
Yep.
with our food and our drink. This was really fun.
Yeah.
It's a fun experiment. See.
Crazy. Actually, this is something that we can eat.
Yeah, it's not that bad. But you are a big foodie in general. How is it? What's your...
I'm a big foodie with a very slow metabolism. Plus, I'm an actor.
Correct.
So it's a very, it's hectic.
Right?
But I love food. Like,
Yeah.
I think I live to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
I have this fun game that I want to play.
Let's do it.
Did you play Dog in the
I
Bone?
indeed did. Yes.
You did?
Yeah.
Do you want to play it again? After years and years and years?
खड़े होना पड़ेगा यार.
Chalo na! Come on!
Fine.
Come on!
Do you need help?
No. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Ready?
So ऐसे खेलना है. अच्छा, अभी याद आया. Oh my god, I love your shoes.
Thanks,
Doll. Look at it. So cute. Ready?
Yay. देखो थप्पा. थप्पा लगा.
यार दौड़ना पड़ेगा अभी.
मैं इसलिए कह रही हूँ.
मैं स्लिप हो जाऊंगी.
हाँ, देख लो जूते तुम्हारे. One.
थप्पा थप्पा थप्पा. Yes. मैं तो स्लो मोशन में गई.
देखो ये ना जो गेम है लिविंग रूम में खेलने वाली नहीं है.
है तो ऐसे रूल नया रूल सिर्फ
पकड़ के खींच के गिरा देना है और
ये
ऊपर
भी
बैठ
मजा
जाना
है.
है.
ये भी बहुत अच्छा
ये
है.
कर लेंगे क्योंकि थप्पा तो होता रहेगा ना फिर.
तो थप्पा नहीं करते. किसने पहले उठाया वो गेम जीत गया.
ठीक है. जा खुश है.
एक और लास्ट राउंड.
देखो अभी सीरियसली खेलते हैं अनुष्का.
चल. Good game. And the winner is Assassin.
God.
You want to play another game?
No.
Please.
Yes.
I have a great game for you.
yes, absolutely.
This one you'll like.
इसमें बैठना है क्या? हाँ, बस जितनी खिलानी खिला ले.
चलो.
As long as मैं बैठी हुई हूँ.
But नीचे बैठ.
Do you need? Oh,
अच्छे
then
से.
it's fine.
The 16 blocks. This is a memory game. Okay. I have these words. I'm going to read out so quickly. What I say, you have to draw. Say I said झुमका, so you have to draw झुमका. ठीक है?
Okay.
Then I'm going to be like 4 क्या था? 5 क्या था? And I'm going to say the, and then you're going to have to guess what the word was. Ready?
Yeah.
Airplane. Spaceship.
अरे रुक ये तो कर ले तो दे.
जल्दी जल्दी. ऐसा ऐसी जल्दी.
हाँ.
Bird. Car.
हाँ?
का गाड़ी ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, फटाफट. Mountain, mountain, pancakes, flower, bag,
हाँ?
bag, necklace,
Necklace.
lipstick,
Oh God.
chair, bottle, bottle.
अरे यार, bottle कैसी होती है?
3, 2, 1, mango. 3, 2, 1, shoes, giraffe,
Oh.
Christmas tree, and time's up. ये जो artwork,
भगवान बचाना मुझे. ये क्या है?
ये बहुत अच्छा है. I
ये
think
तो
you
जिराफ-
still
मेरा
did a
जिराफ
good
देखना.
job. Where is it from? What world?
I forgot what
What
this
is
was.
number 8?
Number 8.
What is number
a
8?
bag?
Good job. What is number 6?
A pancake.
Wow, good job. What is number 14?
Shoes. Shoe.
Good
Shoe.
job. That's
Oh, but
actually
it
a
still-
shoe.
I actually forgot.
What is number 13?
Mango.
Oh wow. What is number 16?
Christmas tree.
That's a good one. That's a
Sorry.
good one. What's number 4?
Car.
And why is 1 and 3 the same thing?
दोनों उड़ते हैं ना, हवा में
कौन
उड़ते
सी
हैं ना
airplane है,
दोनों.
कौन
ये
सी
पहला
bird है?
वाला एयरप्लेन है, ये
अच्छा.
बोर्ड है. उसकी
Very
चोंच
good
है, देख.
job.
इसका चोंच नहीं है.
कहाँ चोच? एक second.
ये देख.
That's the memory.
मैं
But
थोड़ी
you
हूँ.
did a good job.
Mango.
So I'm gonna take a photo to remember this moment.
Okay. Oh
Okay.
wait, with my artwork, with
Yes.
the masterpiece.
Yes. The art and the artist. What a nice memory.
Thanks.
Very nice.
1,
Next time, हाँ.
2, 3. Ice cream. Bicycle. Rocket. Dinosaur. Pizza. Butterfly. Camera. Octopus. Castle. Hot air balloon. Dragon. Elephant. Snowman. Dolphin. Volcano. House.
Jesus.
इसमें से मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया क्या बनाया मैंने. What is 12?
Elephant.
What kind of elephant is that? आइसक्रीम की तरह तो है.
ये
Oh,
देखो.
मेरे को ये नहीं बोलना है. Sorry. हाँ, sorry.
हाँ, ये ऐसे बोलो ना, ऐसे मैं.
नहीं. Butterfly कहने दो. अरे. 10 is what?
Hot air balloon.
What is number 8?
It is a octopus.
Ooh, 15 is what?
Volcano. ये मेरे लिए इशारा था कि पहाड़ नहीं है ये, इसमें से ऐसे आग आता है.
आग. लावा नहीं आता. आ गया तुम्हारे. वाह. Number 1 is what?
Ice cream.
With why is that an ice cream? How is that an ice cream? Looks like a leaf.
We both can. I think this should be like in a museum or something.
Yeah.
No?
Look at
Can you
this.
take my picture with that?
Oh yes, of course. कितनी cute है. We are very photogenic.
Thanks. Let's do one thing. Let's go to the bedroom.
Yeah, and sleep.
Just before that, I have another thing for you. Specially for you. 2 people, not 1. No, then this is happening.
ये तुम्हारा.
Finally. I'm like tired.
Samsung phone.
I did this for you.
Oh, that is so cute. You know, I have never had a
Like a
what is this
tent.
called? Like a tent,
Like a canopy
curtain.
situation.
Yes, I've never had this.
Oh my God! See, I didn't know that. He's so cute. Yay!
And this is very well done.
I'm so glad you like it. So, because it's such a perfect hangout sesh, I thought we can make a souvenir for one another.
Oh, okay, let's do
So
that.
I'm gonna paint a tote bag for you, and you can paint one for me.
Okay, superb. I'm going to keep it very simple because I'm very bad at painting.
No, just do what you like. What are you watching these days? Anything you're binging?
I'm watching Lock Up.
I've not seen it, so I mean,
Yeah,
no judgment here. Come on, it's a sleepover.
I watch ऐसा reality shows and I watch them because it's everything that I don't want to be. And it just makes me feel really good about myself. Like I'm like, oh, I am not this person. I'm so
Right.
happy.
ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग हैं, like they love all of those, like those dating shows.
Oh
or like,
yeah. No,
What is
those I
it?
haven't watched because then that makes me feel bad about myself.
Why?
Because I don't have that kind of dating life
Really?
where there are so many hot people trying to date me.
You're single right now?
Yeah,
There was
I am.
wait.
No.
Wait.
No,
I kind of felt like there was a smile, little bit of like a smile, and you were like, well. Yeah, well. Oh my God.
No, I'm not dating anybody. I promise. Are you single?
I am single. See, there was no hesitation there.
Yeah, because I think you're very practiced like that.
No.
You were not caught
No.
off guard. That's why.
No, I would tell you. हम लोग बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. I would tell you अगर कोई ऐसा होता.
Okay, but seriously, what is your type? Like, so kindness is it is.
Definitely.
Do you like tall people or you're okay with height, however it is?
No, I think, see, I'm very into मुझे ना K-dramas बहुत पसंद है. I really like K-dramas and
Really? I didn't know that about you at
really
all.
it's so like
It's
new.
not
I'm like,
there.
oh
It's
my
like it's
God, that
not-
vibe is not there.
Nah, and that's a secret. Top
No,
secret.
you know K-dramas में there's that height difference.
Yeah,
They show मुझे बहुत पसंद है because I'm petite, no, so ऐसे कोई
हाँ.
somebody's tall and then you know when I'm like I'm saying something and then they bend ऐसा to hear you and they're like sorry what? Oh my God.
I get it.
I know it may not be everybody's thing but it's kind of my thing. I really like that.
It is.
It's really cute.
It's very
I really
cute.
like a
I
nice
also
height
like
difference.
same.
आपका क्या type है?
मेरा type है मेरा actually कोई type नहीं है. For me, the person needs to be again very cliche, but I think the person needs to be nice,
No, that's not
caring.
cliche. I think cliche. I really think this is very important. Somebody just being nice is. It seems like a very ऐसा कि हाँ nice person. But वो बहुत. It's not generic.
It is बहुत ज़रूरी है वो, क्योंकि अभी ना इतने नहीं है लोग. मैंने ये भी realize किया कि ना हमारे बहुत बुरे लोग भी हैं, और कई बार आप बुरे लोगों के you come across bad people and then you realize the value of
a good person.
A good person. So I feel like you need to be with a bad person to understand a good person. And I have been with a very bad person. So like I know the difference.
Tell me a big red flag that I should avoid.
You know when a person is constantly talking about themselves and not interested in what you're saying, or like even on first dates, you know, this is what I look at. This is my first thing that I see in a person, that on a first date, how interested this person is in you also. Like I don't mind you talking about yourself,
Of
but
course.
if you
It has to be a bad
follow up, or
Huh.
you like if you're talking about yourself and then you ask the other person a question about them, then it goes to show that they are also interested in you, or they are at least not as self-centered, because it needs to be two ways, right? It has to not, it can't just be about you. I have been on dates where the person is just talking about themselves and they somehow try, like they find a way to bring that conversation back to themselves. Like even if you're saying something about, let's say you are talking about your trip. And I bring it back
when
to,
I went to the
yeah.
Oh my
So
God.
I think that's an instant red flag, because how much can you contribute to that thing? Like कितना तुम सामने वाले का सुनोगे? तो वो एक तो मेरा, I think that is something that I look at, and then obviously how they treat other people.
That's very important to me as well.
Bare minimum has become rare minimum.
Rare minimum.
I'll tell you what. It's a funny story.
Tell me.
I used to have a crush on this boy in 7th standard, just because he looked like Justin Bieber. So he looked, I don't know why, somehow it was surreal how his features were very similar. So that's why I really liked him.
Yeah.
And I had a huge crush on him. So 7th standard, that was a crush. Then 8th standard, I found out that he also likes me. Then 9th standard, we spoke to each other. Then 10th standard, we held hands. And then 11th standard, we broke up. This was my first relationship.
My God.
Yeah, I was a bus student, he was a walking student. So मेरी बस ऐसे जाती थी तो मैं खिड़की से उसे बाय बोलती थी, और वो रुकता था, अगर मेरी बस आने लगती है तो वो वहाँ खड़ा होकर रुकता था, और फिर मेरी चली जाती थी, तो मेरा वो एंड में उसको बाय बोलना ही मतलब वो खत्म हो जाता था. कितने अच्छे ओल्ड डेज, बस सो स्वीट ना. अब देखो
आजकल
के बच्चे देखो, ये लग रहा है किसी ने छींटे मार दिए खून के इस पे. I'll add some green to this so that it doesn't look like blood splashes.
I really want to shoot you like this artist that I have in front of me. We need to have a video of that using the nightography mode.
Imagine I'm not able to draw.
No, you're doing great. You have Sassy in the house painting me a tote bag. This is mine. I got inspiration from her pajama.
Yours is so much better.
No. It's okay.
Paint yours? I can fill between the lines.
Let's take a video together. So what do you want to say? How was your sleepover today?
Oh, my
This is your
sleepover was actually
experience.
very, very nice. As an adult, I have not done enough sleepovers. But yeah, it just took me back to my teenage years. I'm so happy. And I got to hang out with Anushka for the first time properly.
Now I know why people think
We're similar, no? Because our brains have synced.
That's true.
That's happened like thrice.
Yeah.
Tarangeo!
Oh, that's so nice. You want to see?
अच्छे भी लग रहे हैं.
दोनों कितनी अच्छी लग रही है. And see, because there's dim light, but because we use nightography mode, so the video is very clear and like
That's what I'm
bright.
saying. It's very clear. It's very nice. I like the colors and the...
It looks so nice. Like
Very nice.
this.
You want me to take a picture of you? I think
Let's
this
take one
setup
together.
is very nice.
Let's take one together. Oh, so cute. Look at this.
Oh, that is actually very cute.
Huh?
Send me a copy.
I will. आज मुझे लगता है हमारा जो sleep over है हम paint करते रहेंगे तो let's just paint all night. You know, let's just do that.
Paint
Let's
all
paint all
night. Paint all night. Paint all night. Painting करे all night.